Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget, subscribe right below. YouTube channel. I'll be showcasing this Vision wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. So check this one out. This is the Vision Turbine. This is the 353 VT. This one is in the 15x6, zero offset, 501 14.3, load rated at 2835 pounds, and then each wheel weights at 19.5 pounds. Part number, whenever you shop for this black wheel, matte black, it's part number 353 VTH5665MB0, and it'll take you straight to that wheel. I'll unbox it for you guys. There's another Vision wheel that you guys want me to showcase. Don't hesitate. Let me know which one it is, and I'll show it to you. Let's see this bad boy in the reel. See how it looks. So I'm going to take this thing down out of the box. Here you have it. So clean looking. Let's say it's a 9 spoke wheel, plastic center cap. Remember guys, on these caps, if you were to do a trailer, which this is either a vehicle or trailer wheel, the center cap does come out so you could grease up your hubs. Conical seat lug nuts will go right into this wheel. TPMS sensor is compatible, but sometimes it's just a regular valve stem. Great looking style. The back side of the wheel, guys, is 83 on the center bore, so you need hub rings for whatever vehicle you may have. Here you have it, flat black. They do come in a couple different colors, machine gunmetal and machine black. This is the matte black. So if you guys are interested in this Vision Turbine wheel or any other Vision wheels, feel free to give us a call. We'll be happy to help. Thank you.